You didn't lose respect because you were kind. You lost it the moment you showed weakness to someone who hunts weakness. Today, you learn how to rebuild your presence with silence. In Ozane's law of power, the person you trust completely is often the first to betray you. Why? Because human nature tests softness, then crushes it. Stop explaining yourself. Stop chasing closure. Stop trying to prove you're a good person. People with authority don't justify. They withdraw. Apply the sudden disappearance rule. Cut every line of access. No farewell message, no drama. And when they ask, what happened? Answer with cold silence. That mystery will keep you living in their head at night. Silence isn't weakness. Silence is psychological punishment for anyone who thought you were guaranteed. Remember this. Your value doesn't come from always being there. It comes from the fear of losing you. Be a mystery, not an open book anyone can read. If you're ready to become the difficult one, come on, done, and join the army that follows Ozane. See you at the top.